Hi guys, welcome to my little corner of YouTube, Catch 22. You'll have to excuse that noise. I'm doing this while driving. Don't do this at home, kids. But it's a beautiful day here in Michigan. If you didn't know, we've been having a brutal summer, super hot. Today's actually in the mid-70s, partly cloudy, gorgeous day. I'm heading to the water. So I've got the kayak strapped in. I'm going to head over to Stony Creek Metro Park and see what I can't get out of Stony Creek Lake. I hope I get something. I brought my entire arsenal, and I even got some live bait, so I should not come home skunked. You're gonna have to stay tuned to find out. Alrighty, I'm gonna get back to driving. You guys stay tuned. Camera malfunction. I know, but there's nothing I can do about it. That's all the footage I have. I do have some photos of the fish I caught. I'll show those. I also have some footage I caught on my cell phone of the lake. That'll follow as well. Don't know what to say. Already exchanged the camera, and I have another fishing trip planned coming up shortly. So I will be making another video. You guys will hopefully see some blow-ups on the water, some fish in the boat. But still wanted to share. That was probably my second time out on my Pelican Catch 120. So far I am loving it. Super stable boat for me. I'm not a small guy, and it handles me just fine. And can't be happier, actually. So stay tuned. Subscribe. Hit the like button. And if you want, hit the dislike button. What am I going to do about it? But hopefully you come along for the ride. Maybe I'll show you a few things. Maybe you guys can help me out and show me a few things. This will be a group effort. Stay tuned, guys. I'm in crystal clear water. I extremely weedy, as you can see. I'm looking for pockets. There's pockets of clear spots where I need to drop some bait or lure, and there'll be fish waiting to ambush it. But as I'm going through this, I realize, one, how clear the water is. Two, how pretty it is. So I thought I had to share. And I'm coming up on a pocket right now, so I'm going to try to catch a fish. Right over that